If you're plant-based and you're still not feeling great, you're probably making one of these 3 mistakes that I see all the time. And honestly, I even made these same mistakes when I first started out. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 3 mistakes I see people make on a plant-based diet and how to fix each of those mistakes. And if you stick with me to the end, you'll walk away with a simple framework that you can use in every meal that you make. Mistake number 1 is not eating enough protein. This is the most common one and the most frustrating one. When I work with clients, I like to teach them the protein first method. That means choosing proteins before anything else. Then you'll build your carbs, fats, and other vegetables around that protein. Here are my go-to plant-based protein choices if you want to feel full and energized. Tofu, tempeh, lentils, black beans, chickpeas, TVP, and even high protein leafy greens like bok choy or spinach. Aim for a meaningful portion at every meal that you incorporate any of those protein options. Stick around because mistake number 2 surprises almost everyone, even seasoned vegans. Mistake number 2, eating too little fat. This one gets people every time. A lot of plant-based people go low fat because they think it's healthier. But healthy fats are a non-negotiable for your hormones, your mood, and your ability to feel satisfied. I like this approach. It's called the SMART fat framework. At every meal, I want you to include a healthy fat like avocados, nuts, chia, flax seeds, or even a drizzle of olive oil. It not only keeps you full, but it'll help your body absorb those fat-soluble vitamins. Now, mistake number 3 is the one that nobody ever talks about. Mistake number 3 is not eating enough variety. Plant-based diets, like many diets, can get repetitive if you're not too careful. For us, it's smoothie, bowl, wrap, salad, repeat. And when you eat the same thing every day, you miss out on so many nutrients and your gut microbiome can become less diverse. This is why I've adapted the color rule. The color rule is eating 3 to 5 different colors on your plate each day, not at every meal, just throughout the day. A quick few examples would be eating purple cabbage with your tacos, throwing some carrots or sweet potatoes in your bowl, swapping your greens periodically, and not just eating spinach every day, and rotating your beans and grains weekly. When you diversify your colors, you diversify your nutrients. Okay, quick recap. The 3 biggest mistakes are 1, not eating enough protein, 2, not eating enough healthy fats, and 3, not eating enough variety. And if you focus on those 3 things, you'll fix about 80% of the issues that people on a plant-based diet face. If you're new here, I post weekly on ways to eat healthy without the pressure of perfection and the stress that comes with it. I'd love to know what your biggest struggles have been on a plant-based diet. Leave it in the comment and I'll start a conversation with you. Next week, I'm going to break down how to build a balanced plant-based plate in under 10 minutes. This is the exact formula I use at home and I share with anyone that I work with. All right, you guys, until next time, stay healthy and be well. Peace.